Have you ever felt self-conscious about your smile? Or maybe you're just not sure if you're brushing the right way, using the right products, or visiting the dentist often enough. You're not alone. Dental care can be confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Welcome to Fix Your Smile, where we make oral health simple, relatable, and effective. This channel is all about helping you take better care of your teeth, gums, and overall oral health without all the medical jargon. Whether you're looking to whiten your teeth, get rid of bad breath, choose the right toothbrush, or understand what braces and aligners really do, we've got you covered. Every week, we bring you clear, evidence-based advice that's easy to follow and even easier to apply. No scare tactics, no pressure, just real solutions to help you love your smile. Here's what you'll get when you subscribe to Fix Your Smile. Tips for brushing, flossing, and tongue cleaning the right way. Natural and professional teeth whitening options that work. Step-by-step advice for fresh breath, healthy gums, and preventing tooth decay. Honest takes on trending dental hacks. What works, what's dangerous, and what's just hype. Product reviews for toothbrushes, water flossers, mouthwashes, and more. Answers to common dental questions. Why do my gums bleed? Are aligners better than braces? How can I manage tooth sensitivity at home? Your smile is one of the first things people notice about you. It affects how you talk, how you eat, how you feel about yourself. And yet, so many people are unsure of how to care for it properly. At Fix Your Smile, we believe that everyone deserves to feel confident about their smile, without spending thousands at the dentist or falling for misleading trends online. This channel is for real people who want real results, and we're here to walk with you every step of the way. What makes Fix Your Smile different? We focus on clarity, making sure you understand not just what to do, but why it matters. We stay updated with the latest research, but explain it in a way that feels like you're talking to a friend, not a textbook. Whether you're a teen with braces, a busy parent, or someone getting back into a healthy routine, we've created content for you. No fluff, no filters, just practical dental care broken down into easy, bite-sized lessons. And the best part? There's always more to come. If that sounds like something you need, go ahead and hit subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if there's a topic you're curious about, drop it in the comments. We're building this channel with you because when your smile is healthy, your confidence grows. And that's what Fix Your Smile is all about. Let's start this journey together. Your best smile is just a click away.